Hey everyone. So today I want to share with you an EVP I caught at Bristol Cemetery. Well, EVP isn't the correct term here. EVP stands for electronic voice phenomena. This isn't a voice, it's a sound. So when I was exploring there, I decided to leave my audio recorder on a statue. I then walked away back to the front part of the cemetery and stayed in an area where if anyone walked by me, I would see them, or if anyone walked close to that part of the cemetery where the audio recorder was, I would also see them. Now, there were people there that day, but I am 100% sure that no one came close to it. So what I am going to do first is play you the original clip 3 times in a row. This clip is about 8 seconds long. And what this sounds like to me is chimes from a music box. Here it is. So I am now going to play the clip 3 times, but with it cleaned up. And now not only can you hear the chimes clearer, but there is another sound after the chimes that I cannot make out what it is. Here's that clip. So after hearing this, I thought that maybe there was something there that could have made that noise. If you watched my last video from Bristol Cemetery, there was an old stuffed bear attached to one of the headstones, and I thought maybe it had a music box in it. And if it did, and it still worked, bravo to the manufacturer, because that's been there for a long time. So I decided to go back and look around for something that could have made that noise. Here's that video. Okay, first, let me start by saying it's September and it's too freaking hot. Fall can't come here fast enough. Alright, so this is where I had placed the audio recorder. Put it right down here in the corner. Right here. Now, the tombstone with the teddy bear on it is over there. So let's take a walk over there real fast. How far away that is. It doesn't have a music box in it. So this makes no sound. I don't see anything else around here that would make that chiming sound. I don't see anything. or hear anything. So, I have no idea what made that chiming sound. Love to hear what you guys think about that. As you can see, there is nothing there that could have made that noise. So was this some kind of residual sound? There are several children buried in that area. So was there a music box buried in one of the graves? I'm honestly at a loss about this one. Please let me know what you think about this in the comments. I would love to hear your opinions. Thanks for watching.